How to send snaps from camera roll as normal snaps. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how you can send photos or videos from your camera roll as regular snaps on your Snapchat. So first things first, open up your Snapchat and then on the right hand side you'll see a drop down. Go ahead and tap on it, and there, you'll be able to see director mode. So tap on it, and now you can see import media. So tap on it to choose the desired photo or video from your camera roll. Now, choose the photo or video, and then tap on the tick icon on the bottom right. Now just tap on it on the bottom and you can edit the photo or video. You can even add stickers, music, and more. And finally, you just have to tap on the tick option after you're done editing, and then you can tap on preview, and now you'll see send to. Now you just have to tap on send to and send it to others. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.